Hi there everyone, this is your weekend fleeting view. We're just bringing you an update on what the weekend is and has in store for us, just on the back of what Gary did on just yesterday actually. We've still got this area of lower pressure that's moving across. You can see that on this midday chart for Friday. It's filling as it pushes eastwards, but we're still going to expect a rather unsettled day, with the low pressure being mainly the dominant weather feature through Friday. So expect rain, some gusty winds across many areas. Not all areas will be wet, so we'll take a look at the detail just now for that. So let's start off first thing on Friday morning, and what we've got is quite a lot of rain trying to push through and across southeastern areas of Scotland, pushing then on into northern parts of England as well. Now the Highlands region should be actually largely dry. You can see there's not really any rain to talk about through here, but we've got some patchy rain pushing through parts of Wales and down through further south through here too. So there is some rain about. One thing to talk about actually is the winds. We're looking at 30 to 40 mile per hour winds across the South and East Highlands. These easing as we go through the day, but winds across Northwestern Highlands again up to around 30 miles per hour on those higher tops. Going to be really rather gusty across northern parts of England, so the Peak District, the Lake District could see up to around 30 to 35 mile an hour winds, with the risk of the stronger winds later on. Temperatures throughout the day, we're looking at them ranging between 10 up to 13 Celsius. Moving on later in the day and overnight, you can see that rain largely sort of disintegrates across the mountains region. Still bits and pieces around to start the day on Saturday, but Saturday itself is looking like the better walking day all round. Little of any rain really to talk about. We've just got to watch for some rather extensive mist and fog patches from dawn, where it will feel rather chilly, particularly across Scotland into northern England. By around midday though, we've got that cloud lifting and only being confined to really towards the higher tops across most places. Now, it was Sunday's weather that was showing a little bit of a question mark for what the detail is expected to be like, and it's still not completely perfect, I'm afraid, so just bear with us. It's generally, on the whole, not too bad of a walking day for some areas. What we've got is rain edging inland across the northwest and western parts of the Highlands area, with of course thickening cloud, reducing that prospect of sunshine through here. But further east and further south across Scotland, it does look like it should be a pretty decent day. We do have perhaps a bit of rain trying to push through across parts of Wales. To the extent to how much, we're not 100% sure at this stage, but that will reduce that cloud cover through the Brecon Beacons and of course Snowdonia region through here. It should be a largely dry and reasonably fine day though across the Peak District, the Lake District area through northern England. We do need to just watch for mist and fog patches first thing, but these should thin to allow for some decent visibility as we go through the day. And those temperatures climbing, so we do see a southerly wind starting to pick up as we go through the day on Sunday as well. So those temperatures climbing into and well into double figures. But whatever you're doing this weekend, have a great one. Goodbye for now.